Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how one of these LED desk lamps work. This is just a generic one, so the same process will apply to other models that you will find on eBay and Amazon. So we can change the brightness and we can also change the color temperature, and we have a little wheel here that we can turn round. So to get it to work, you need to press in on here and that will turn the light on. By default, every time you turn it on, it will automatically go to brightness, and then if you go counterclockwise, it's going to dim, and clockwise will make it go brighter. It will hit its limit and you can keep turning and it won't do anything. The same way with the dim one there. It won't go any dimmer than that, but you can keep turning it round and round and round. Now, if you wanted to put it to color brightness, and it will go between warm white and cold white, then so it's going to go from a more yellowy to a more bright white, then you can do that by hitting this button here. It's labelled up as CCT. So we're on at the moment. If we hit this one, then we can turn the dial again and it will change between warm white and cold light. So if I turn that up here, it's going to be hard to pick up in the camera, but hopefully you will see the difference between. You'll see it more with your own eyes than through the camera lens. So that's it, really easy to use. And then when you're finished with it, all you've got to do is click in on here and then it will turn itself off. So every time you turn it on, it will go automatically to brightness, and then you need to go to color here if you want to change the color. Also, it's going to remember the color from before. So if you have it all the way to the extreme one side or the other side, when you turn it off and put it on again, it will keep that same color. The same with the dimness. So if you were to go to the very dimmest setting, turn it off and on again, it will stay on that setting there. So that's it. That's how to use this generic desk lamp. Thanks for watching.